you find this video helpful, then feel free to donate whatever amount you can. Link is in the description below. A coil has a resistance of 3 ohm and inductance of 0.012739 Henry and is connected across 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Calculate number 1 inductive reactance, number 2 impedance, number 3 current, and number 4 power factor. Solution. First of all, we will write what is given. Here we can see the value of resistance is given. So resistance R is equal to 3 ohm and inductance of this value. So inductance value is given, L is equal to 0.012739 Henry and is connected across 230 volt. So the value of voltage is given, voltage is equal to 230 volt. Frequency is given, frequency F is equal to 50 Hz. Now here we have to calculate inductive reactance. That is, we have to find XL. And then impedance Z. After that, we have to find current I. And then finally, we have to find power factor, that is cos phi. So first of all, we will find XL. The formula for XL is XL, inductive reactance, is equal to 2 pi FL. Now here this will be 2 pi multiplied by frequency. Frequency is 50 Hz. So this will be 50 multiplied by L. L is the inductance and it is 0.012739. Now if we calculate this, so we get the value of XL. 2 pi multiplied by 50 multiplied by 0.012739. It is 4. XL is equal to 4 and its unit is ohm. Then next we have to find Z. Z is the impedance. Impedance Z is equal to under root of R square plus XL square at an angle of tan inverse of XL by R. XL by R. So this will be under root of R is resistance and its value is 3 ohm. So this will be 3 square plus XL. XL is 4. So 4 square at an angle of tan inverse of XL by R. XL is 4 divided by R is resistance and it is 3 ohm. So this is 3. So this will be under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So it is 5. 5 at an angle of tan inverse of 4 by 3. So tan inverse of 4 by 3 is 53.13. So 53.13 degree. So here we can see impedance value is 5 at an angle of, this is the value of impedance, 5 at an angle of 53.13 degree. And its unit is ohm. Now next we have to find XL, then impedance Z. Then after that we have to find I, current I. And current I is equal to V by Z. The value of voltage is 230 volt. So this will be 230 volt divided by, here we have to take the magnitude of this Z. So magnitude of this Z will be only 5. So 230 divided by 5. 230 divided by 5. It is 46 ampere. Therefore, I is equal to 46 ampere. Then lastly we have to find cos pi. Cos pi is the power factor and it is equal to cos at an angle of phi. Now here we can see the angle of phi is 53.13. So here we can say pi is equal to 53.13 degree. So this will be cos 53.13 degree. So cos of 53.13 degree. It is 0.6. 0.6. Therefore, cos pi is equal to 0.6 and power factor have no unit. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to donate whatever amount you can. Link is in the description below. Thank you.